So last October I decided to go on holiday on a solo trip to Crete, and this is my vlog, so I hope you guys enjoy it. So I've been awake for around 24 hours and now I'm going to go downstairs and see if they still are serving dinner or lunch. I am so hungry. I might be a bit too late, but let's see. So this is the bathroom. This is how it looks. It's just like a simple sort of Mediterranean style bathroom, and when you arrive they give you complimentary soaps and shower gels, so if you forget yours it's fine because they'll top this up every day. This is the bedroom, and again this is very simple. It's a very simple Mediterranean style. And this is the balcony with 2 chairs and an ashtray if you're a smoker. I actually chose the non-smoking rooms because I didn't want my room to smell, so I'm quite happy with it. At the moment it smells very fresh. Okay, so now I'm going to go downstairs and go to the beach. Normally if you come in August it would be really overcrowded, but it's actually not super overcrowded anymore. And this is the beach, so nice. At this hotel there's about 6 different restaurants, I think, so I have to just choose somewhere to eat. But I mean, for the first day I'm probably just gonna go to the buffet and just choose something. Okay, so today I'm going to head out to Knossos Palace and also to the Archaeological Museum as well in Heraklion Town Centre. So this is my outfit of the day. Now my room is a bit of a mess, but yeah, I just went for something that's a bit more relaxed, like a relaxed t-shirt, very, very beachy, very patterned, with a sky blue skirt from Zara. And yeah, my hair is still looking a bit frizzy, but you know, I'm just here to relax and be bougie, so enjoy. Hello, a wildcat came to say good morning to me this morning. So cute. There's a lot of cats on this island for some reason. But now I'm going to head out and look for this bus stop so I can get a bus to Heraklion Town Centre. So from what I understand, the lady in the hotel told me I can get the number 5 bus all the way into Heraklion Town Centre, so it should be quite straightforward. I think once I arrive there, it looks like quite a small town, so I should be able to walk from that stop to the Archaeological Museum. But to get to the palace, I think you need to take another bus from that bus station in the town centre. is the outside of the Archaeological Museum. It has a very cool ancient Greek style. And I basically walked around and took a look at their historical art pieces. Now I'm on the way to Knossos and I just got on the number 2 bus. You basically jump on and they take you there. So I finally arrived at Knossos Palace and this is how it looks. Part of the palace has become demolished over time, but I really liked the Egyptian style or the ancient Greek style artwork. I was really lucky because it was a very clear, sunny day. It was really cool to see the underground parts of the palace. I can tell that it used to be really beautiful back in the day, in ancient times, but now there's barely anything left. And that was it, so now I'm going to head back to the hotel. Oh, they left quite a few gifts. So what is it today? Yesterday they left some teacup mats for hot tea. But today it looks like they've given me, oh, what's this? This looks like it's a selfie stick or an iPhone holder. So this will be really handy for the rest of my trip. So I won't have as much of a shaky camera because I've been alternating between my iPhone and my big camera. So now I'm waiting for the bus again to go to Agios Nikolos, which is basically a really nice town on the east coast of Crete. The buses take painfully long, like I don't know if you can really see, but I'm just waiting for the bus guys and it can take a while. It's going to take about an hour and a half to get there, so I suggest if you come to Crete and you travel from Heraklion or where I am, which is Kanihani, to Agios Nikolos, you definitely need a good book to read on the way there or Wi-Fi because it's going to be a long trip. Guess what? There were no turtles because turtle season apparently was 2 months earlier. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next